The motion weld processes are particularly suitable for thin plate applications and for components with varying gaps and tolerances. The welding processes provide advantages everywhere where special demands to weld surface and appearance are made. As specialist for industrial sheet metal processing and transformer accessories, Henke Metal has trusted in the CLOOS welding technology for many years. Henke Metal uses the motion weld processes both for steel and aluminium components to achieve excellent welding results. Furthermore, motion weld is perfectly suitable for the additive production. Motion weld is a combination of the proven CLOOS processes such as control weld or vari weld and reversing wire. Here, a mechanical system draws the wire back and forward at a high frequency. Thus, short circuits can be interrupted cleaner and with less energy than in the case of short arcs without reversible wire electrode. With motion weld, you reduce the workpiece distortion because of the lower heat input. You avoid extensive reworks due to the minimized formation of spatters. You benefit from a stable process with high welding speeds. Do you look for a stable process for excellent welds? Then rely on Motion Weld by CLOOS.